Okay, do me this quick favor and watch this video until the very end because it's going to benefit you tremendously. I have a six-figure printable seller who's about to show you exactly how she prepares for the holiday Christmas season where she sells Christmas printables. So make sure you watch this video until the very end. Please take it away, Becky Beach.
Well, hey everyone, I'm really excited to talk to you about AI Christmas Printables Mastermind. Thanks so much, Ike, for introducing me. Well, let me go ahead and let you know what I have in this training and also give you like a quick lesson on creating Christmas printables with AI. So let me go ahead and share my screen. So if you go to Etsy, we could see all the Christmas printables that are doing very well. So let's search for Christmas games printable. And as you can see here, there's lots of different Christmas printables. And I look at all these like big reviews. Look, that's 5,000 reviews. It's Christmas Family Feud, which is one of the games I teach in the course. But you use AI to make it. Like Christmas Family Feud is doing very well. It's coming up at the top. Like these are ads. So see, it says ad by Etsy seller. So they're not naturally, occurring when you search. They just paid to be at the top. But this is naturally occurring with SEO. Look at this huge game bundle. Like in my course, I'm actually given like a big giant bundle of games. You can actually bundle them all together and sell them just like this as a game bundle. And Christmas Family Feud is doing very well. And also I have like fill the phrase in with the songs. This one's doing it looks like songs is doing quite well. And you can come up with your own game ideas too. Just mix and match the prompts that I give. You can change the prompts for any holiday. So let me show you ChatGPT. So you can do any game you want with ChatGPT, and I make it easy so you don't have to guess yourself, because I had to do a lot of guesswork to figure all this out myself, and I had to really do it I made it all easy for you so you won't have to spend like hours trying to figure out yourself. So for instance, there's a Christmas scavenger hunt. So let's do that one. I'll give you an idea. That's not included in the training, but I'll give you the idea. So you go, write 20 objects around the house during Christmas time for kids. So these are just 20 objects around the house for a scavenger hunt. This is a quick training. Like elf on the shelf, Christmas lights, snow globes, wrapped gifts, gingerbread house, mistletoe, nutcracker figures, and whoever gets the most objects wins. So everybody has to go around the house and try to find these objects. Okay, so it's like the scavenger. Then you just go into Canva. Let's go into Canva and let's make a design. So I'm going to make a U.S. letter portrait. And I'm going to go into ChatGPT. I'm going to copy all that. And then get the text. I'm going to add a heading. I'm going to call it Christmas Scavenger Hunt. The Christmas Scavenger Hunt. And we could, change the font to something cute. Make sure it's some Christmas font that I have already. Because I have Pro, so I can add fonts and stuff. So then we can change the color to like a nice red color. So it's highlighted in red. And we could give it some effects. So let's give it like a shadow of green. That would look cute. Kind of increase the offset, the direction, so you can see the green some more. And then now let's get some text here and just paste all that. And let's align it. Okay, so let's duplicate that and let's put the rest. So here's the rest of the scavenger hunt. And what they got to do is they have to make a little box by it. So let's make the little boxes. So here's the shapes. and make it white with a like a red outline to match. We can zoom in. There's like a little box to check, and like Alt and like just put it next to each little dot. Okay, and then let's go ahead and put like a check icon so that way they know that they're supposed to put a check mark. So let's go ahead and make check with check mark. Let's just keep it green. Yeah, there we go. So now we got a little Christmas scavenger hunt. And we can like decorate it with some Christmas graphics. Like a Christmas tree. Okay, there we got like a little quick printable. See how cool that is to use ChatGPT to make printables? So in the course, I have a welcome video, and I say you can change up the prompts for any holiday. You can just mix it up, because you get a prompt for in each lesson. Like a couple prompts. Some of them are recipe prompts where you have to actually use them to create the printable. So you have to like use like a few prompts in order to create the printable content. So we got a lesson on Etsy product research and listing a printable to Etsy, like how to do it if you don't know how. And then we got all these activities like Christmas bucket list, dares. We got the Christmas feud, like Christmas family feud. And we got all these ones, and the Christmas family feud and all the other ones are created with using prompts with ChatGPT. Then we got mid-journey printables. We can teach you how to make coloring pages, and I got all these prompts that you could use, and like stickers. And then I got a place where you can ask questions. Like, of course, you can always ask me any questions, no matter if you feel they're stupid or what. Like, I'll answer them. Then we got bonuses. We got so many bonuses. We got AI clipart and patterns. And you get all the templates. And we got AI wall art, where you can make beautiful wall art you could sell. And we got a $20 off coupon for PLR and PLR Beach. And also a special to join my membership. Okay, thanks so much for watching. It's back to you, Ike.
Okay, thank you very much, Becky Beach. That was a really cool masterclass. Now, if you want her full masterclass, plus all her templates and all her bonuses that she's offering with her Christmas Masterclass printable course, then make sure you check out the link below or wherever it is on this page and get access to that. Okay, be good, take care. Don't forget to like and subscribe.